Oh dear, there are many pieces in my puzzle. Oh dear. Oh, what is this? Oh, I can help you. Oh, okay.
Okay, these are pages 26 and 27 in the Let's Go 3 workbook. And on page 26, we're going to do some phonics. And the phonics sounds that we did in class were CL cl, FL fl, and SL sl. So let's look at what the words were.
CL class, clock. FL flower, fly. SL sleep, slow.
Okay, and now we have to do part A, which just says match. So I'm going to draw a line from the word block, from the sound block, to the right picture. Number one is cl, and then clock is there. And class is down here. So clock, class. Number two is fl. So let's see, flower. And fly. And the next one is sl. So we've got sleep up here. And this tortoise is slow. All right, and now we have to match the pictures to their words on this side. So let's start with this one, flower. That's right there. Next is sleep. Sleep. There we go. This one is clock, and clock is here. Clock. Next we have slow. That was up here. Slow. And this was a fly. And this one was class. Class. Just like that. Part A is done. Okay, this is part B, and it just says write. So we're gonna take the words that are up here in part A and just write them in the right list. The first list is for CL, words, and they've already got clock there. So I can just trace clock, CLOCK, and the other CL word was class. And class was CL, and ASS, class. Number two is for the FL words, and we had flower, FL, OW, flower, ER. And the other flow word was a fly, so we go fl and put a Y, fly. Number three is for SL words, and up here the SL words were slow, slow, and we also had sleep, sleep. There we go, and part B is done. All right, part C just says read, and the title of this story is Going Places. So we're gonna read about these four different characters and where they're going and also how they're going. All right, let's start off with number one. Where's Marta going? She's going to the park. She's going by bike. Marta likes the pretty flowers. Now number two. Are Joseph and Marie going to class? Yes, they are. They are going on foot. And now number three. Li Peng's going to the store. He's going by train. He wants a new clock. His old clock is slow. So his old clock is broken. He needs a new one. Okay, let's answer the questions down here. How's Marta going to the park? So first I see that this is the how question. So I don't need to look for a place. I need to look for a way. So I'm gonna look for Marta, and I'm gonna look for how. Is it on foot? Is it by bike? Let's find Marta. Number 1 was Marta. And let's see, we're looking for a way to go. Oh, this is the park, so that's a place, but we need a way. Oh, right here, by bike. So we can just write this part right here. How's Marta going to the park? She's going by bike. So what I'll put in for Marta. She's going by bike. Good. Next one says, where are Joseph and Marie going? Okay, so the first thing I need to look for is we want to find where, so we need to find a place. So I'm going to look at Joseph and Marie and look for a place. Here's Joseph and Marie. Are Joseph and Marie going to class? Well, that's a place. Yes, they are. They are going on foot. Okay, so there's the place that we need, class. So we can say they, because Joseph and Marie are more than one, are going to class. That's what we'll write for them. They, and we'll just put it as they are, so they're going to class. Okay, we have one more. It says, what does Li Peng want? So we're going to look at Li Peng. We're going to look for this word, want. And it's probably going to be a thing because it's asking what here. So let's look for Li Peng. This is Li Peng, and let's look for the clue word, want. He's going to the store. He's going by train. He wants, oh, there it is, want. He wants a new clock. That is our answer. What does Li Peng want? He wants a new clock. Done. Let's write that for Li Peng. He wants a new clock. And just like that, we are all done. Very good job.